RSK Sports, RSK Badminton, good morning. First week 1 ng ating Inborn Cup T110. Ito po ay alay namin sa aming mabait at namayapang Inborn. Relax ka lang dyan. Okay lang kami dito, huwag mo kaming alalahanin. Huwag mo na magpetisyon. Ayos pa lang kami. Okay, guys, okay, magkakaroon tayo ng knock-knock. At ang ating keyword ngayon is Inborn. Yan. Tingnan natin kung sinong magaling mag-knock-knock. At ang top 3 na knock-knock ay magkakaroon ng tig-2 KD. Yan. 2 KD ha. Top 3 ang knock-knock. Pero ang boboto ay sila din. Ha? Kayo din ang boboto. Papalakpakan nyo. Sinong hindi ng 5 and 3. Okay? Game? Okay, bago tayo mag-umpisa. Lahat ng officials mag-ingay. Okay. Bago tayo mag-umpisa. Sa aking kaliwa, sa aking kanan, harapan at likuran, palakpakan muna dyan. Okay? We'll start with our knock-knock. Okay? Sino ba isa? Bat? Ay. Yupi, may knock-knock ka?
Yes.
Okay. Knock-knock. Game time. Knock-knock. Ayan. Ayan. Sige.
Sa Barker.
Okay, sige. Okay. May knock-knock ka. Sige.
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Inborn.
Inborn who?
Tayo'y mga Pinoy, tayo'y hindi kano. Huwag mahihiya kung ang inborn mo ay...
Okay, next. Sino? Ayan, ayan. Easy. Okay. Yan, ito. Okay, apat kayo ha, pwede rin. Okay.
Chris Gary,
Sige.
sa gitna, wala yung gabi ko. Chris Gary, we miss you in heaven. Miss you. Miss you.
If someone will sing loudly, I will add to it.
Okay, sige.
Okay. Knock, knock. Ay, knock, knock pala.
Who's
Knock,
there?
knock. Inborn.
Inborn who?
1, 2, 3, go.
Dada
Okay. Okay. Inborn for you. Next. Ayan. Solo, yan. Ayan. Another group. One group, another group. Solo. Okay, game. Go. Who's there?
Inborn.
Inborn who?
Inborn. Inborn to be free.
Okay, next.
Hoy guys, kailangan mo baka. Kailangan mo baka. Ay, yung backup to, yung chorus ha.
Pero mas malala. Knock. Who's there?
Inborn.
Inborn who?
Nasa ulap ba ang iyong mga mata? Ako si Mr. Suave! Oo, grabe! Kahit walang bigote! Marami akong babae! Hoy, hoy, hoy! Hoy, hoy, hoy! Hoy, hoy, hoy! Hoy, hoy, hoy!
Bakit na yung import eh?
Okay. Namay pa ako. Okay, who's there?
Inborn.
Inborn who?
Kaya na! Ang dito na lang yan! May catch on fire. It's buried in my soul.
Like California gold.
You found the light in me that I couldn't find. Kuya, panalo ka na!
And I can find the world. Every time we say goodbye in born
Baka dancers. Yay! Knock knock.
Who's there?
Inborn.
Inborn, no?
May lyrics pa.
Ay, may lyrics!
Pati ko.
Disarado?
People ask me why I never find a place to stop and settle down, down, down. But I never wanted all those things people need to justify their lives. Yes, we were born! Born! Inborn! Born to be alive! Yay!
Guys, come here.
Last, last.
Hindi naman kanta, wala nang kanta, puro kanta na lang eh. Hindi, sige. Ito, yung sentence naman, inborn.
Oh,
Okay, inborn guys.
okay, use inborn sentence, okay.
Okay, ready?
Knock-knock.
Hindi na, walang na.
Just finish sentence.
Okay. Chairman, 14, pasensya na kayo. Ito talagang hindi ko kaya eh. Ang sakit ng inborn ko eh. Right, camera. Sino yung nandun?
Sino?
Si Sir Gary ba yun? Hindi.
Ah,
Pero hindi, inborn pala yun eh. Lumipad tuloy.
Ah, inborn. Okay, okay.
Ready na kayo sa panalo?
Okay. Last, last. Who's there?
Inborn.
Inborn, no?
Ilagay natin ang ating mga kamay sa ating biglo. Ladies and gentlemen, pwede agad. At sa kanyang yumi at ganda, tayuan ay nahalina. Bayan ko, binihag ka, nasa dalsa dusa. Here we go!
Okay. Panalo na lahat! Pero bago yan, may knock-knock ako. Knock-knock! Inborn. Alam niyo yung nasa Pilipinas ako, medyo madilim yung kalye, di ba? Madilim ang daan. Abay, sa katangahan ko, lakad ako ng lakad ganun. Alay, nahulog ako sa inbornan. Alright, okay, bye guys!
Bye-bye! May pang pigberry.
Okay. Experience badminton satisfaction, okay?
Ingat si German.
All officials, what is RSK Sports?
Experience!